Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, I would like to explain some more shortcuts which is relevant to the AutoCAD. See here, so I will draw a line based on the line command. Okay, click escape to come out of this command. For example, if you want to draw the rectangle, what you will do? So I will take the reference, C enter or again close this one. And again with the polyline, I will draw the rectangle here. So it is better to keep ortho on, which you will get straight lines exactly. So take the reference of the exact line and then C enter to close. Okay. See here, this is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. What happens? So already in the first class only, I show the difference between the rectangle which is drawn with the line and polyline which is drawn with the polyline command. Rectangle which is drawn with the polyline command. So if you want to select a particular line, it is possible in the line command, rectangle which is drawn with the line command. For example, if you want to select a particular line, it is not possible which is drawn with the polyline command. But sometimes it is necessary to draw the rectangle or any doors in the plans which is based on the polyline. At that time, it is mandatory to know which you have to break the combined line into some single lines like line command. So at the time what you have to use means explode is one type of command which is used to break the particular lines in that particular object. So in that you go to the command, there you can enter ex plod explode. Okay, for explode there will be one shortcut which is X. See here, X is the shortcut for the explode. Otherwise, if you are not aware of the shortcuts, you just go to the full length. Directly you will get that one. Otherwise, you please remember the shortcut which is X for the explode. Just click enter here. So select objects. So this is the object which I have to explode and then click enter. Then you go on select. What happens? Every line will be selected. Means explode is particular command which is used to break the combined rectangular into individual. Okay, and if you see here, sometimes it is mandatory also which you draw the plan with the line command, and then you can unite one particular object. For example, if I want to select all these items, sometimes with some hurry what we will do, we will select this particular item, so only these particular items will move away. Okay, at that time it is very mandatory to join entire irregular lines into one particular line. So at that time what you have to do, select, choose the joint option in the command box which is J. If you go to the J in the command box, automatically one particular command will open, that is join. So directly enter join or else just J in the command box and click join. So for that we have to select the entire objects and then click enter. So and select in that particular line wherever you want. If you see here, the total rectangle which is drawn with the line command will be converted into a polyline, and whatever the rectangle which is drawn with the polyline will be converted into a line command. So this is the difference between the explode command and join command, how it will be used. And one more thing, in the last lecture only already I told you how the control Z command means undo Z command will works, like, so that is the same shortcuts which we used recently like in the MS Office, MS Word, like that. So here you will know some more shortcuts like copy, move, how it works. For example, I will select this entire object and just in the keyboard you just press Ctrl plus C. So already we know these shortcuts we will be using regularly in the MS Office. Okay, for paste what we have to do? Ctrl V. See here, you will get the exact rectangular box. Wherever you want, you can select one intersection point and paste. Similarly, select this entire button, control, copy from here in the ribbon and choose one specific base point. If you switch off the ortho, it will come wherever in the viewport. Otherwise, if ortho is on, only horizontal and vertical direction, it works. So that's why wherever you want, you can place, means please switch off the ortho and then place based on the base point. See here, already I placed once and again I am not coming out of this command. If you want how many times, you can place this rectangular box. Once you select the copy command, you are in that command only. If you want to come out of this command, you just click escape. And see the difference between the move command and copy command. See here, I select all these commands from the base base rectangle, which is the first object. So I'm copying the command with reference to the rectangle. So this is the base command, a base rectangle. Every rectangle will be selected from this one. If I want to move, means there will be no base point. The particular base point only moves to somewhere. See here, just select the object, click move, select one base point. You move this base point to somewhere. There will be no base point, base rectangle which is there at the UCS previous one. But what about this copy command works? Copy command means it will keep the base point here only, rectangle, and the same copy you will get somewhere. In the similar way, Control X is used for the cut option. See here, in the keyboard only you select that one. So there will be no direct shortcut appear in the ribbon here. At that time, you just select that one, Control X, which is used to cut that particular rectangle. So if you want to paste that one, just go to Control V. Somewhere again you will get base point, select that intersection point. And at the same time, already I told you, if you want to delete the particular item, what you will do? I told select that particular one, delete option. Otherwise, one more command you have to use to delete the particular objects, that is select the entire objects and go for the E in the command box. E for the erase, that is the shortcut for the erase. Then click enter. Automatically that will be deleted. Whatever the object you want, you can just enter E and then delete. No need to go always at the command box. Just enter. Just enter E. For example, if you select this object, immediately you can select E and then you can enter. So this is the way how basic tools will be work. In the next class, I will explain some more basic tools which is very useful to draw the AutoCAD.